My name's Jason Young. I'm the environmental manager for Arauco here in Albany, Oregon. So Arauco is a global wood products company. They manufacture anything from plywood, particle board, MDF, molding. But what's one of the neatest things about this company is their sustainability, and one of their big objectives is to become basically net zero emitter of greenhouse gases. We receive 100% recycled renewable material from sawmills. We take that material, we size it down, we dry it down, and then we add binders to it, and then we manufacture the particle board out of that wood and binder. About 4 years ago, we had 6 months to design and develop and make operational a wastewater treatment system to treat the effluent coming off of our pollution control device on our green dryer system. In order to treat our material, we had to have an equalization tank where we accumulated enough material to run through the process. And so the tanks that we used are fiberglass tanks that had the Pulsair mixing system in it, because when the material comes over, it comes across about 30% solids, and that material wants to settle out right away before we can get a chance to process it. So we had to keep that material suspended, because the alternative was to install a motor that's connected to a shaft that's connected to a blade that continuously runs off of electricity. And that's a piece of equipment that you have to maintain. So the system monitors the frequency and volume of air that's pulsed into the tank. It's not constant. If we were constantly blowing that air in, that would be a waste of energy, right? So we want to be as energy efficient as possible, so we only want to put in as much air into that system as needed to keep those solids suspended. So it's all the operator does is on their rounds, they go through, they look at the panel, they confirm that it's operating and on. And as far as the maintenance goes, the maintenance team actually performs maintenance on the air compressor. The Pulsair system requires no maintenance at all. My favorite part about the Pulsair system is that I don't ever think about it. Anytime we can have equipment that just simply works, it's efficient, and then it allows us to put our focus on other areas that we need to put our focus on. It's sustainable, energy savings, and it's low cost.